Jai Good day students, I am Mahalashmi, your English teacher. I hope you all are study the non-detailed question answers thoroughly. Today's session we are going to see the poem 1. The name of the poem is Geography Lesson written by Julfikar Ghosh. My dear students, I send the poem separately. Read the poem and listen this summary. Okay, let's move to the summary of the poem. In this poem, the poetess tells about the way the earth looks from different attitude. This poem has 3 stanzas. Each stanza has several things like picture of city, logic of geography, and a charm of human narrow-mindedness. The first stanza, the poet describes a vivid description of an unplanned city. The city grew as per as their necessity. It does not have any particular style. When the city was looked a few hundred feet away from the ground, it had no uniformity or any logic for its random shape. In this stanza, the poet is looking at the city from the low height the jet had taken off, and it is above the city. The map measurement from this city is 6 inches to the mile. The poet describes the city how it appears in the first stanza. Okay, my dear. Now, the second stanza's explanation. When the jet was able to reach 10,000 feet, that the poet said all the cities were found at the banks of the river and the little above the river level of the water. On valleys, one could notice or observe the day was. Now, I move to the third stanza. The third stanza was about the percentage of water was more than the percentage of the land. The poet described the human narrow-mindedness in this stanza. The jet width above 6 miles, when the poet could not understand that on earth is having more water than land. People on earth is more selfish and narrow-minded, for they hate each other. The man of the earth causes to hate each other. The people of the land were shallow reasoned. It was difficult to understand the poet about the earth. The human tendency built the border to erect walls and create fences. It was difficult to learn why the people were hated each other. So, from this poem we have learned much about the earth, shape and the nation, but we have to feel to love each other in this wonderful world, in this wonderful earth. Thank you, students. Thank you, Jai Gudi.